Welcome to the YouTube tutorial. This video will show you how to create a YouTube channel, upload videos, and closed caption videos. Let's get started. A Gmail email address is required to have a YouTube channel. Once an email address is created, you can use it to log into YouTube. First, visit gmail.com and create an account. If you are creating an account for your school or site, the address should be generic. An example is bonillasmagnet@gmail.com. Share the email and password with whomever you'd like to have access. If your site already has an email address, you can skip the first step and just log into YouTube. Next, you'll visit youtube.com and select Sign In the top right corner. You'll be taken to the Google Sign In page. Use the email address you've just created to sign in. Select the video camera icon at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Upload Video option. Upload your video either by dragging it from your desktop or folder to this page, or by selecting Select Files and choosing your video from your saved documents. You will be able to see your video upload progress at the bottom of the page. On this page, you can also name your video and add a short description. Once your video has fully processed, you'll also be able to select a thumbnail from 3 pre-selected options. Further down on the same page, you'll have the option to add your video to a specific playlist on your page. This is not required. You will need to make the selection of whether or not this video is meant for kids. You will want to select Yes for this option. If you are uploading content not suitable for children, it should not be on your school site page. Select Next once you've completed this page. The next page is Video Elements. No selections on this page are required. Subtitles are required for videos to be placed on district web pages, but we will cover that in the next section. Select Next once you've completed this page. The next page is Checks. This is where YouTube will check your video for any issues, such as copyright. If any issues are found, it will be flagged here. If it's a copyright issue, such as music, most of the time YouTube will just not allow you to monetize the video and will require an ad is played before it. The video can still be uploaded and viewed. Select Next once this page is complete. The final page of uploading your video is visibility. You can make your video private, which means only those with access to your account can view it. You can also make it unlisted, meaning only those you share the link with can view it. A majority of the time, your video will be public, meaning it can be viewed by anyone on YouTube either by searching for it or visiting your channel. You can also use the schedule option to have your video post at a certain date or time. All of your visibility selections can be changed later in the YouTube Studio. Once you've completed this page, select Publish. Your video will appear here on your channel videos page after it's been uploaded, regardless of the visibility you've chosen. To make any changes to your video settings or visibility, you can select the video thumbnail. To access the YouTube Studio to manage your video, select your account icon at the top right of youtube.com and select YouTube Studio. Go to your YouTube Studio and select the video you would like to close caption. Once in the video details, select Subtitles from the left side menu. You'll get one of 2 options: English automatic subtitles that you can edit. This option will appear if you wait a few moments after uploading your video, which gives the auto captions time to generate. Or you'll see the Add option to write in your own subtitles completely from scratch. This is the option you'll likely get if you close caption immediately after uploading. Both options work just fine. Click whichever option is available under Subtitles. If you select to edit the automatic subtitles, you'll come to this page. Select Edit at the top of the page and edit the captions. You'll find that some words are misplaced. Once you've made all your edits, you'll select Publish Edits. If you choose to add the options for subtitles, you'll be brought to this page. Select the last option to type manually. You'll then be brought to this page where you'll be able to write your subtitles from scratch. You're able to adjust the timing and duration of each subtitle as it will appear on your video. Once complete, select Save Changes. After publishing your subtitles with either method, you should be brought to this page confirming they've been published. To confirm, you can play the video. Be sure to have the CC option selected to ensure the subtitles will appear. If you have any questions, please email vivian.coulter@TUSD1.org.